welcome back to Firebird Farms. This is my second video and a little update on the red fire chicken here. Got her running last week. She's got a spun bearing. Getting ready to tear into it today. Start draining all the fluids. Hopefully get the top half of the motor off by this evening, and I'll know the culprit. Not really what I was expecting, but it is what it is. As you can see, I started a little bit of sanding on the ugly spot. This is my garage. The whole 2 jail cell sized unit. That's my littlest. Yep, not much info for today, but time to start tearing into it. That's all I got. So you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.